I ain't trying to start no mess, but I got an email. I'm gonna tell you what they said. I'm gonna just let you know. I'm just telling you what they said. I don't start no mess. Nah, I ain't trying to start no mess, but I got an email. I've been sitting on this email and then I got a package. I'm gonna read you these correspondence so that you know I don't start no mess. Let me tell you, so I received an email quite some time ago. This vendor has been wanting to work with me for a very, very, very long time, okay? But I don't know this vendor that well. And y'all know I am very, very... Hold a minute. Don't get ugly now. Okay. Y'all know I am very particular when it comes to these collaborations, okay? I put out a video a while ago about an MCAP, right? I'm going to tell you what they said. I'm going to just let you know. This is from BGM Hair. BGM or BGM Girl Hair, okay? You truly care about your fans, helping them find affordable wigs, and I deeply admire that. I saw your video recommending wigs, but our wigs of the same specifications offers a better value. Now, I'm just telling you what they said. Better value. That's what we left off at. Plus, we will give your fans an extra discount.
I like to get discounts for my cousins, you know that. Okay.
I recommend this wig, and then they showed me the wig. We encourage them, meaning you, to post their honest reviews on social media. Now, this is the part right here. You know, it takes a special... If I don't know the vendor, it takes a special email to pluck my interest. If the wig doesn't meet expectations, we offer full refunds. Let's move on. Our wigs aren't well known on YouTube yet, but that's why I didn't know. You see? But we put a lot of effort into our products. We would be honored if you could review our wigs so more people can discover high quality, affordable options. I respect your work and look forward to the possibility. Okay. And then they sent me a whole bunch of reviews that's on Instagram, TikTok from the past week. So these are like recent reviews, not like reviews that's ancient and they hold on to it because that's the one positive review. And it's a lot, y'all. They have great reviews. So then I said, hi, thanks for connecting. I will take a look at the links that you sent and then follow up with you. I appreciate all of the kind words. It's true that I want my supporters to receive the same quality products as us influencers receive. So I'm really picky about collaborations. People work hard for their money and deserve a vendor who they can trust. Hopefully, you will be a solid, ethical vendor. And if so, I'd love to share your products and info to the people. Thank you again for thinking of me for a possible collaboration. And they said, thank you so much for your thoughtful response. We truly appreciate your dedication to ensuring your supporters receive the same high quality products as influencers. We completely agree that people deserve vendors they can trust, and we strive to be that reliable and ethical brand. We look forward to potentially collaborating with you and are confident that you'll find our products meet your high standards. We are excited about the possibility. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, so bam, then we start talking business. Now, I ain't saying that. They sent me an MCAP. And I knew, it's a whole bunch of vendors that have MCAPs. Okay, so this could be a sister company. I don't know. All right, I'm not in the ins and outs of their business, and they're not in the ins and outs of mine. Now, what they sent me was an MCAP, Kinky straight, 28 inches. HD lace. So I'm just telling you, if the wig turns out right and it does not look a fright and y'all end up getting it, I want y'all to leave reviews like they requested, okay? Honest reviews. They coming at it like they on the up and up. So I think that's wonderful because the way they popping off, they got this thing bubble wrapped up so that no one can get inside of this package unauthorized. Okay, let's just get into it. Very nice package size. Now here is the lace that they sent me to show you guys the difference between regular transparent lace and HD lace. Just so we're clear, they offer both transparent and HD lace. Depending on your jacket pocket, the transparent lace is a little bit cheaper than the HD lace, so you have both of those options. Generally speaking, transparent lace is just a little less fine, if you will. The lace holes are a little bit more noticeable in transparent versus HD, but transparent lace should be suitable for many complexions and tones. HD lace, however, typically is suitable for more complexions with a little touch up here or there. HD lace tends to be more thin as well, okay? So you just decide for your life. Now going into it, I was like, the transparent lace looks pretty good. A lot of times with transparent lace, I still have to tint the lace, and it's all good because I still have to tint the lace with HD lace as well because I really wanted to, really match my coffee au lace. So I guess you don't have to, but if you're trying to step up your wig game, then you want to do that. You want to get it as seamless as possible. So I'm just going to cut it down so I can use a couple strips that's just to show you. But right there, you can see that even the transparent lace is really nice. So at this point, I was like, dang, the transparent lace is already looking good. HD is supposed to be a little bit better. So I don't know what they about to do. This transparent lace is looking like some people's HD lace. I ain't lying. Some folks say HD and they be an HD lie. I'm just, hey, I ain't saying no name. But yeah, so we're just gonna go ahead and melt this on my hand so you can see the results. But as you see right there, look at that, y'all. Look, that look good in a mug, okay? And that's the transparent, okay? So you can still see it, obviously, because it is lace. It's not skin, okay? And you can see it. But that still looks really, really good, okay? We're gonna jump to this HD lace because now I'm like, how you about to come at it? Now, I will say, just looking through the bag, that HD lace is looking really nice. So I was like, oh, dang. So y'all, we just gonna place the HD lace down there, and literally immediately I was like, what? Y'all, that looks so daggone good. That looks so good, it's ridiculous. Y'all, look at that HD lace right there. Now that's some HD lace, y'all. That is so beautiful. That is so nice. I like it. And that's the wig that I got. I got their HD lace. So I'm excited about the possibilities. All I can say is they coming at it like a mug so far. Pre-cut lace, pre-bleached knots, no tangles. We're gonna run through it with some heat. Yeah, I'm excited about this. I have 28 inches. You do not have to get 28 inches, but y'all, and this is a 9x6, so that part can be long and ignorant. I'ma just do a middle bust down. I'ma just do a middle part bust down. Bust down, middle part bust down, bust down. I'm hype. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Let's do something with this, okay? Hold a minute. Y'all, I had to jump back on here. Look at this. There is literally nothing that I want to do to this wig. I don't even want to. If these dents from packing weren't there, I probably wouldn't even add heat to it. This wig literally has got to be top 2 favorite kinky straight human hair wigs. It is so, it's literally, there's no tangles, y'all. There's no tangles. We not tangling, twisting. This wig is thick, but it's not ignorant thick. You know what I'm saying? It's literally the perfect density. If you need a kinky straight human hair wig in your arsenal, baby, this one right here. What? Yeah, I literally don't look at just look. Let's just look at this. Let's all take a look at this together through any weather. It is so pretty. It has a healthy shine, a healthy luster Turn to your neighbor and say luster. Because all wigs don't do that. And y'all know that. We done been through so many wigs on this show. Y'all know. Wow. I'm going to put heat through it, but it's going to, I don't even know now. I'm going to get these waves out of it, but I may cut off just a little bit of that lace right there, but I'm going to do it in a zigzag because they have it cut so beautifully already. So I'm not going to mess that up. You see? And of course, I'm going to put some color on that lace because there is not a HD lace in this world that can beat my coffee ole. So I'm going to go ahead and help it out a little bit. We're going to warm that up. But this wig is beautiful. And I had to come on and tell y'all, it's not a game, okay? Ends look nice, healthy, feathery. They're not, blunt. It just looks like a healthy head of natural hair that has been blown out beautifully. Look, y'all. Come on now. Let's not play with it. That is so beautiful. I keep running my fingers through it because I want you guys to see how easy it is to do so. No tangles. Literally zero. I haven't had a shed, y'all. I am very, very impressed with this wig. I really like it. Let me put a little heat on it, y'all. But I had to just come on and tell you, this is nice. This is so beautiful. Honey, yeah, I like it.
Living for weekends, wishing I could take a break from this world. Running on a hamster wheel, but searching for something I can't feel. I just wanna be a lost girl and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate above the ground and make eye contact with clouds. Now I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free. Finally, I wanna be free. You're the